Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when Elementor is not loading on WordPress. So first of all, you want to go ahead and enable safe mode and debug mode. So to do this, you want to find Elementor bar right there on WordPress. And from here, you want to go ahead and click Tools. After it loads up, you want to go ahead and enable debug bar and save mode and save the changes. And after you've done that, you want to go ahead to any page like so. And for example, try to edit it with Elementor. And now if it will be fixed, and if it loads up, then the problem might be not with Elementor itself, but with your theme or the plugins that you have installed and up and running on your site. So you need to check for them. Now, to find the theme, you will find it here. And now for the plugins, you of course will find them here. So you may want to check them out and so on and so forth. Now, another issue might be your PHP version. To find it, you can go ahead to Tools right there on WordPress bar and go ahead to Site Health. Now, you will see that your site health might be good or not. This is the status. You want to click on Info and just scroll down until you see Server, and from here you can see that your PHP version is right there. So for example, this PHP version is the newest version, so it works for me fine, but maybe your version would be like 7.3 or so on and so forth, so you want to go and update it. I can actually update it. For example, I'm using DreamHost, so here I can modify my PHP version on DreamHost itself, so you may find it on your hosting service too. Now, what we need to do also is disable cache. If this is all okay for you, there may be the cache problem. So to disable the cache and then reload the site. So the cache would be one of your plugins. So for example, for me, I have a VP super cached, so you may want to deactivate it, and after that reload your site and see if that fixed your problem. And of course, the last thing we can do is go to Elementor settings and then click on advanced, and from here you want to go ahead and switch the editor loader method, enable it right there. It's for troubleshooting server configuration conflicts, and then you're gonna save it. So that one of these ways should have fixed your problem. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.